Good morning YouTube, welcome back to the channel, Yanni's Garden Maintenance. Hope you're all doing well folks. So guys, today's video, I'm just going to show you how we made work out of no work. We landed at a customer's house, a new customer's house, and so I'll show you the job now. This is how you upsell to your customers. Welcome back guys. So I was contacted on Facebook Business by the customer. Any gardeners out there, get on Facebook Business. This is where I get a lot of my work, probably 80% of my work. So the initial inquiry was about this cherry laurel here at the front. As you can see, there's not much work on it. She wants it to grow to about 8 foot, so she has a wee bit of privacy between her and the main road. So I suggested we just trim the sides, leave the tops, we'll weed out these borders here. So round the back there's a hazel hedge, as you can see here. She wants this hazel hedge to grow to about 8 foot, just above the fence. So we're going to trim the sides of that. And then we're going to weed out these borders as well that runs along the hazel hedge, and then we will finish off by laying edges on all the lawns out the backyard here and the lawns out the front. So guys, before you watch, stick a kettle on, make yourself a wee cup of tea, but before you do so, hit the like button, comment and subscribe. So guys, Neil's out the back there doing his wee bit. I've just edged the front lawn now. Now that that's done, we're going to head out the back and do the back.
The Dutch elm, what was that?
The Dutch elm disease, when it had it wiped out about 80-90% of Dutch elms.
Dutch elms?
Aye, so when people...
In Ireland? Or was that in Ireland or UK?
Aye, UK, Ireland and the UK, like, you know. But,
and does that spread all over the world, like?
It spreads everywhere, like, you know. It's, comes from, you know, the actual people that's growing them in the nurseries and stuff like that there. That's where all the passports were brought into play then, and you know, provenance of your, even your seeds and stuff that you buy.
Everything has to be stamped.
That's why they say don't buy your seeds off, you know, some bullshit online shops unless you know exactly where they're coming from, like. Because you can bring in disease and it can wreck an ecosystem. Like you don't see. When's the last time you seen an elm tree now over here?
True.
You know, after it was wiped out. But
I heard about that ash dieback, like, but.
People were scared. Everybody was worried, like, that they will wipe out 80-90% of the ashes. But we should have known better, really, because ash is it's the hardest wee thing going. Hey, it's like a weed. It's like a weed of a tree. Hey, it's an amazing tree. Fraxinus excelsior.
Tidy job, Neil.
One more part. A better job again off it, you know, right?
Some fresh work, you reckon? That'll look apart. So guys, that's all the lawn aging done. I'm round the back now and I'm weeding out these borders. Wee bit of advice for anybody laying edges on the lawns. Just make sure that the topsoil is dry. Just make sure it's a dry day. Otherwise you'll have a mucky mess in your hands. So just a tip for anybody out there. We come out to this garden yesterday and she only wanted the tops done.
Tops are
So we done a bit of upselling there, didn't we?
Upselling, but it's well worth it because there's no point in us coming here to take a tops out like a lot of it.
Exactly. So we did beds out of it, these beds, we put new edges on the lawns. From the hazel hedge out the back and the cherry roll. So
hazel actually putting a bit of a bevel on it now, so it was slightly like that again, and now it's slightly going in like this again. The right bevel, so now when we get future work on this property, we'll have the hedge already shaped the way we want it to grow straight from the satellite, because they're about 5-6 years old, them are wee hazels like that.
So say the customer wants the hedge to about 8 foot, just a wee bit of privacy between her and the main road here. So happy days folks, remember, like, comment and subscribe. Have a good weekend, it's Friday here, so enjoy.